Today I'm going to be showing you how to attach the yarn to your crochet hook if you're a left-handed crocheter. So go ahead and grab your yarn as well as your crochet hook, and we're going to begin by holding the tail, which is just the end of our yarn, and then we're going to grab our working yarn, which is just the rest of the yarn that we have. We're going to create a loop by draping our working yarn over our tail like this. And I usually hold on to that intersection. Then we're going to insert our fingers into our loop and pull our working yarn up through our loop. And I usually grab a hold of my working yarn and my tail and then pull my loop nice and tight. From here, we're going to slide our crochet hook into that loop and then pull on our tail and our working yarn to bring it down like this. So now you have attached the yarn to your crochet hook using a slip knot. So when it comes to holding your crochet hook and your yarn, everybody holds it a little bit differently. I know I used to hold my crochet hook like this, but that put a lot of tension on my fingers, and I also started to blister here. So now I just hold my crochet hook like this, and I do keep that grip pretty loose. So when it comes to holding your yarn, go ahead and spread out your right hand like this. And what we're going to do is we're just going to drape it over our pinky and then over our index finger like this. And what this does is it allows you to control the tension, which you do want to be fairly loose. You want your crochet hook to determine the size of your stitches. You don't want to tighten down after you place them. That's not going to give you a consistent stitch. So what we're looking for is a loose grip that doesn't allow our crochet hook to pull too much of our yarn at once, but also allows us to control the tension by squeezing if we need to. So again, just hold your hand out like this, and you're going to drape your yarn over your pinky and then your index finger. And then I usually use my thumb and my other fingers to hold on to my tail. So this is sort of your starting crochet stance. And from here you can add stitches, you can do whatever you would like. Let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed this left-handed crochet tutorial video, and I'll be happy to release more videos like this in the future. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a wonderful, awesome day.